Hi guys, Delia with Plant-Based Potential. So today I wanted to talk to you about intuitive eating and some steps you can take so that you can try and make some lasting lifestyle changes. And one of those things is becoming more aware of your eating habits. So my suggestion is starting a food journal or a food diary. And I actually have a little kind of rough draft. I'm making a nice one for my clients, but essentially, these are kind of the basic things that I want people to try and think of when they're creating their food diary. So essentially, you want to start documenting the foods that you're consuming and then your feelings before and after. So before you start eating, how hungry are you? And so I'll include like a hunger scale, right? So like 1 is you're starving, you're weak, you're dizzy, and 10 is you're so full that you feel sick, which I know a lot of us have done that before, right? So you want to document how you feel before you eat, and then again how you feel after you eat. So one of the things that you want to try and start like cueing in on is your hunger feelings. Like when you're full, how do you know? For me, when I'm full, I feel like the sigh of relief. Like I get the full sigh, I call it. It's just like, like I can't eat anymore. This is it. You got to step away. So you need to become more aware of those feelings. And a lot of times we're eating distracted. So we're eating at work, we're eating while we're driving, we're eating while watching TV, we're eating while we're playing on the computer. And so there's all these distractions and we're not really being present with our food. So really try and take some time out of your week to experience your food. Just have a sit down with yourself. And so this is my little area. And it kind of looks out into my yard, which you can't really see because it's dark out there right now, but it's kind of my chill zone. I watch the dogs play around out there and the birds and all that good stuff, and it's my moment to be present with my food. And so today, I have a piece of avocado key lime pie, and I just want to savor it. I just want to taste it and enjoy it and be present with it. So it's just taking that time, knowing how you feel. And so like also I include this like wheel of emotions, because sometimes like we emotionally eat, right? Sometimes we eat when we're really upset and we just want to stuff our faces, or sometimes you have other feelings around how you begin your eating process for the day. And all these things are like, they work together to create your overall health. And the food that we eat is a symbiotic experience that like you're built upon the things that you're eating. So being present with them and being able to be grateful for how amazing your food is it just adds to the beautifulness of our existence with food. And so I think that's all very important as far as keeping like lifestyle changes alive. And you don't have to do it forever. Do it for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, and then see how that helps you move forward in the way that you proceed with your food. And so that's essentially like all I wanted to tell you guys today. I'll go ahead and leave a recipe. You know what? Go to my website actually, and I'll go ahead and I'll post this recipe on my website tonight for a little bit. I'll keep it up there for a little bit. It's a good one. It's a sugar-free dessert. It's super simple to make. It's basically a raw vegan dessert. It's so good. You will just die when you taste it. But anyways, I hope you guys are making good choices with food, because there's so much out there that's just misinformation, and just getting back to whole foods and having a relationship with your food it just makes such a huge difference in the world of your life, what you bring to the table every day, You know, are you coming in with brain fog and fatigue, or are you going to come in with energy and joy and just an appreciation for good health? But yeah, that's all. So I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you next time.